You are stuck. Your flight is delayed, the terminal is packed, and the line for customer service wraps around the concourse. It is a frustrating, helpless position to be in. Watch this departure board go from on time to delayed to canceled. When that happens, your goal is to get your money back. We are going to translate complex Department of Transportation regulations into a step-by-step roadmap to do exactly that. Before we start, you need to have 3 things ready: your smartphone, the specific Airlines app logged into your account, and your booking reference number. Airlines count on passengers not knowing the rules. Taking back control requires knowing the specific legal triggers that force an airline to open its wallet. Step 1. Step out of that massive customer service line. Open your airline app right now and look for your digital rebooking options. Do not leave the secure area or exit the terminal yet. You need to evaluate your choices before you give up your physical access to the gate agents. Look at this timeline. Domestic delays hit the legal threshold at 3 hours. International flights slide to 6. But time is only half the equation. You must explicitly choose to cancel your trip. When combined, the law requires a full cash refund. Agents will likely offer you travel credits instead. This is the voucher trap. You want the cash sent directly back to your original credit card. If you voluntarily accept a travel voucher, you legally waive your right to a cash refund. Next, you need a diagnosis. Go to the gate agent and ask for the specific official cause of the flight disruption. They will often cite weather, but do not accept that without verifying. You need to know if the actual issue is a staffing shortage or a mechanical failure. This flowchart breaks down the critical difference. The top path covers controllable delays, like maintenance or crew shortages. The bottom covers uncontrollable delays, like weather. For controllable delays, airlines are legally mandated to provide meals, a hotel room, and transportation to get there. Never pay for a hotel out of your own pocket. Demand that the airline issue a hotel voucher directly to you. Pinning down the exact classification of the delay on the record is the only way to force the airline to absorb the cost of your overnight accommodations. Now, consider this spinning baggage carousel. If your checked bag fails to arrive and the timer keeps ticking, you are entitled to a refund of your baggage fee. The airline is also liable to reimburse you for reasonable incidental expenses caused by your delayed luggage. To claim that money, you need to build a folder just like this one. Screenshot your app status, photograph the departure boards, and save every single physical receipt for your meals or transport. If the airline denies your claim, follow a 2-step escalation. First, file a complaint through the airline's official portal. If they still refuse, submit a formal complaint directly to the Department of Transportation. Without a meticulously documented paper trail, you surrender all of your leverage in a dispute. Let's review the 4 rules on screen. 1. Check your app first. 2. Know the 3 and 6 hour threshold. 3. Demand cash over vouchers. And 4. Document everything. The bottom line is simple. The airline sold you a schedule. If they set a deadline and you choose to walk away, a full cash refund is a legal right. Stand your ground with gate agents, use the newly learned rules to your advantage, and refuse to settle for less than what you are owed.